stock market is a complex system where investors buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. 2. Prices are influenced by various factors including company performance, economic indicators, and investor sentiment. 3. Stock prices can be volatile, leading to both opportunities and risks for investors. 4. Market trends are not always predictable, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. 5. Diversification, research, and a long-term perspective are often recommended strategies for investors. 6. Market fluctuations can be influenced by global events, economic policies, and unexpected developments. 7. Investors should be aware of the potential for financial loss and carefully consider their risk tolerance. 8. Professional advice and due diligence are crucial for making informed investment decisions. 9. Market timing is challenging, and a disciplined approach is often more effective than trying to predict short-term movements. 10. Overall, the stock market plays a vital role in capital allocation and economic growth, but success requires a thoughtful and well-informed approach. Thanks for watching. Follow me for more.